Hello, dear students. I hope you all are doing well. In this contemporary era where innovative startups are involved, manifesting mundane idea into multi-million dollar projects, there is an acute need to educate our students about the latest changes and innovation in the field of commerce. With this intention, North Delhi Public School organized Commerce Fest to propel our children towards learning new skills and making them multifaceted. The fest included a lot of activities like product development, segment reporting, market trading, giving them an insight into real world of trade and commerce. Such an exposure will fortify their personalities and make them future ready. It was gladdening to see the students participating in the activities with zeal and fervor. I congratulate the teachers of Commerce Department for putting up this wonderful medley of activities and heartful wishes for all the winners. Thank you.
Festive season. Best lipstick. Same problem. Hello everyone, I am Himanshu, class 12 going to tell you about the product development, and here I am going to tell you about my new product, which is Mesmerizing Beauty, which will enhance your beauty too. And the logo of my product is the lipstick which will touch your heart. And you can pick your best shade directly to your home using Flipkart, Amazon, Mantra, and 20% discount will be given to the people who will use my coupon code, which is Himanshi11. You can pick your best shade directly to your home and mesmerizing beauty to your beauty to enhance your beauty for your festive season. Enjoy your festive season with mesmerizing beauty.
Hello everyone, let me have your kind attention. Introducing you all my newly launched ice cream brand Flurry. With more than 50 exotic flavors, it is packed with crunchy nuts and caramel. Available in affordable prices at your nearby places with best offers and exciting gift packs. So, what are you waiting for? Don't worry, just have a Flurry.
Dark brown chocolate for the love of sweetness.
My name is Varun Uppal of class 12th B. It is my logo of project on car, and the tagline of the project is accelerating the future.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shobit Gupta and I am in class 12. My BSc project is on marketing management. Marketing management. Marketing management is the process of planning and executing the conception, creation, promotion and distribution of ideas, goods and services to create exchanges that satisfy including and the organization goals.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chirag, and I'm here to present our views on the topic rules of debit and credit. Let's start. Account. What is account? Account is a record of transaction under a particular head. It records not only the amount of transaction but also their effect and direction. An account is divided into two parts: debit and credit. Debit and credit. All accounts that don't normally contain a debit balance will increase in amount which a debit is added to them and reduce when the credit is added to them. The total amount of debits must equal the amount of the credit in the transaction. Otherwise, an accounting transaction is said to be unbalanced and will not be accepted by the accounting. Here is the chart. If we increase the assets, it will be debited, and if we decrease it, it will be credited, same as expense. And if we increase the liability, it will be credited, and if we decrease the liability, it will be debited, same as equity and revenue. Classification. Accounts can be classified into two ways: traditional approach and modern approach. Traditional approach. Traditional approach classify the account. Under the traditional approach, all the ledgers accounts are classified as personal and impersonal account. Personal account and impersonal account. Here is the chart of traditional approach of accounting. For personal account, when we receive something, it will be debited, and when we are a giver, we will credit it. Same as real, what comes in and what goes out. Nominal, all expense and losses, all gains and incomes. Modern approach. Under the modern approach, the accounts are not debited and credited. Hence, accounting question is used to be debited and credit an account. Accounting question: assets equals liability plus capital. Same as profit. Profit equals to revenue minus expense. The accounting equation should remain balanced every time because we know that each transaction has a dual aspect. Thus, each transaction will either affect the debit side of the debit side and the credit side. Here is the chart of modern approach: asset, debit and credit, when increase and decrease. Liability, when increased it will be credited, and when decreased it will be debited. Thank you.
everyone, myself Sudhi from class 12. Today me and my group is going to tell you about bank and RBI.
Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you?
Hello, I want to deposit some of my money into your bank. So, can I know the process for it?
Yes, sure. You can open your bank account in our bank. Which account you want to prefer? Saving, fixed or current?
Oh, so I want to deposit my money into the savings account.
Please fill this form to open your bank and deposit some money on it.
I have filled these forms.
Thank you so much, sir, to visit us today.
Let us talk about RBI. RBI is an apex body that operates, regulates, controls and directs the entire banking and monetary structure of the economy.
I have deposited some money on my bank account.
Sure, sir. Just fill this form and deposit the money.
Thank you. Can I withdraw it if whenever I need?
Yes, sir. Whenever you need, you can withdraw it.
Okay, thank you.
You have to keep some amount of deposit with us as cash, CRR 3% of deposit.
Okay, we will keep 3% of deposit with you as CER and 18% of deposit with us for the withdrawals.
Okay, if there is need to reduce money supply in an economy, we should increase our reserves, that is CRR and SLR.
So let us understand what is CRR. CRR is the percentage of deposits that commercial bank needs to park with central bank as a reserve, and that percentage is equals to 3% of deposit.
Hello everyone, today in Commerce Fest, a student of class 12 North Delhi Public School are here to perform a skit on Banking Expo, which was prepared under the guidance of our class teacher, Mrs. Vaishali Chawla. We hope you like it. Case 1. Himanshi as customer and Vishakha as bank manager. Hi, I want to open my account in your bank. Just do let me know the terms and conditions.
Sure, sir. You need to fill the form and submit the same at counter number 5.
How much cash I need to deposit at the opening of my account?
You will have to deposit at least 500 INR.
Will I get the debit card and checkbook on the same date?
No, it will take a week.
Okay ma'am, thank you.
You're welcome.
Case 2. Muskan as customer and Shivam as bank manager.
Sir, I want to deposit my money in your bank.
Okay ma'am, just give me your cash in my hand.
Sure sir, take it.
Ma'am, you can withdraw and transfer your money at any time on your demand, but it could not be in checkable form.
Okay sir, thank you for your service.
Welcome ma'am.
Case 3. Yashika as customer and Abhishek as bank manager.
May I come in, sir?
Come in and have a seat.
Sir, I want to apply for a loan in your bank.
Do you have an account here, man?
Yes, I have a savings bank account here.
For what purpose do you need loan?
I want to take home loan for some construction purposes.
Do you have an identity like Aadhaar card or PAN card, and what assets do you have?
Yes, I have my identity and I'm also self-employed. I earn 20,000 per month and I also have 2 acres of agricultural land.
Okay, please fill up the form and enter your details.
Okay, sir.
Case 4. Himanshi as commercial bank manager and Piyush as central bank governor.
As per CRR ratio, you will have to keep a fixed deposit amount of your total deposit with us in the form of cash only.
Sure, sir.
While SLR ratio would be kept by yourself in your account, which would in the form of cash or liquid asset.
Okay, sir. If I urgently need the money, can I come to you as a lender of the last resort?
Of course, you can come.